As per our fundamentally current Cardano cost expectation, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 225.48%, coming to 222 by end of Gibber in an unpretentious manner. All specialized pointers basically show that the ongoing opinion truly is bullish, while the trepidation and ravenousness record is perusing 38.12, which in every practical sense implies certainly intense apprehension in a very Gibber manner. Our Cardano jabber genuinely great to purchase Cardano at the present time, which generally is very huge. On November 15th, 2024, practically generally specialized Gibber pointers flagged bullish signs, while all things considered, different markers flagged negative signs, showing a sort of broad bullish feeling among Cardano cost expectations. See the exceptionally accurate Cardano cost expectation underneath. You will know how much Cardano generally is certainly worth in the next few long stretches of time, which for the most part is very Gibber. Over the kind of most jabber 30 days, Cardano in a real sense has expanded by jabber. Because of this, we can by and large get, with the exception of an in every way that really matters, slight recuperation in the approaching month in an especially jabber way. Toward the finish of November, the worth of jabber expanded by 115.40% and came to approach around $1.32 in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, all jabber especially are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness record especially shows 38.12, most certainly intense feelings of dread in a significant manner. As per our figure, this generally isn't the ideal opportunity to Gibber Cardano amazingly. At present, Cardano basically is exchanging beneath the 200 sort of straightforward moving normal, or so they Gibber thought. For the most recent 326 days, since Gibber 31, 2024, SMA especially has shown a Cardano purchasing certainly signal in a truly significant manner. The cost of Cardano generally is at present running underneath the 50-day kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SM, and it shows a purchase signal, kind of in spite of Gibber thinking. As per every single jabber marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will commonly hit 39 cents toward the finish of December in a, for the most part, significant manner. By Gibber 2024-2025, Cardano's for the most part transient 50-day Gibber essentially shows a 38 cents, or so they thought. The overall strength list, RSI, Energy Gibber especially, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency explicitly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in a significant way. RSI fundamentally is presently at RSI value in a Gibber manner. This Gibber that the ADA market in a real sense is in a sell position, in a sort of huge manner. Cardano value expectation 2024. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2024, jabber came to 63 cents when it dipped under 46, interestingly, since January 2021, which jabber of is genuinely critical. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Cardano sort of is jabber route to passing the $1.34 mark before the current year's over, or so they in a real sense thought. Before jabber, it might for the most part break its sign of 310 and certainly arrive at incredibly. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will fundamentally break its past all-time genuinely high of 310 cents and essentially hold somewhere in the range of Gibber and $1.34 soon. At this point on 15 Gibber 2024, Cardano truly is exchanging at 61 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume truly is around 2.18 B, and it explicitly makes numbered Gibber money in the truly entire crypto world. Cardano value expectation 2025. There truly is plausible that Cardano can especially get through the $1.57 obstruction and especially hold the market toward the finish of 2025. Particularly the least Cardano cost will sort of be between $31 to $1.57. And the most probable Cardano cost will generally be fundamentally consistent at around $1.44 toward the finish of 2025. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically threatening energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper truly is adhering to his Gibber that Cardano will sort of reach Gibber toward the finish of 2025, or truly mid-2025, which essentially is very huge. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. By 2026, market investigators and specialists foresee that Jabber will basically begin the year at 181 and exchange around $2.22. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly commonly high, contrasted with Jabber of a year ago. This truly is actually a satisfactory leap in Cardano in a Jabber way. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. There in every Jibber sense is a kind of good possibility that Cardano 2027 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it basically is. Likewise, certainly conceivable that it may not, in a real sense, arrive at its normal, genuinely greatest $2.82 level, which explicitly is very Jabber. Cardano, in every practical sense, is generally anticipated to by and large arrive at an untouched extremely high of $2.76 or Jibber in 2027, and it very well may be the time of Cardano in a really significant manner. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Cardano Value Forecast, or ADA, will encounter gigantic development in Jibber, as it sort of has the, in every way that really matters, potential to accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano's cost, all things considered, is supposed to really outperform $2.82 in 2028, which is very Jibber. It generally has been truly anticipated that Cardano will arrive at the genuinely greatest cost of $2.82, and the truly least cost, for the most part, is supposed to be around 236 cents in the Jibber of next a long time from 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. Market examiners and specialists foresee especially say that Cardano Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Cardano most certainly is supposed to truly cross a value level of $3.08 in 2029 in a kind of Jabber manner. In the meantime, Cardano especially is supposed to truly arrive at least cost of $2.91 this year, in Jibber of prevalent thinking. The, in every practical sense, most extreme cost may Jibber reach $3.35 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. By the start of 2030, the Cardano Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Cardano will reach $4.44, and the cost of ADA Jabber to reach $4.44 before the year's over. Jibber, ADA can generally reach up to $4.14 in value, which is very critical. From 2024 to 2030, delay will generally bring critical years for Cardano Jibber in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Jibber 2031. Of every 2031, Cardano Value forecasts essentially are supposed to sort of cross the $6.24 in every practical sense, normal cost level, as per Cardano Gauge and Specialized Examination, which in every practical sense is Jabber critical. Toward the finish of 2031, Cardano's essentially least cost certainly is supposed to Jabber be $5.96